Guys, don't.
Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here on this Sunday afternoon, ready to go to CVS and get some great deals for you. Guys, we're going to get some stocking stuffers. We're going to get some detergent, some toilet paper, some nail polish. We have some freebies in here as long as everything is in stock. So you do need to have some coupons from your inserts. You can also use some digital coupons out of the CVS app. So get your phones ready so you could take some pictures so you know exactly what to get so you could plan out your scenarios. And let's head into the store and let's get ready to save. Alright guys, so the first deal that we're going to do is going to be on the spend 30 get 10. You can only do the deal once, but if you look through the ad, there's like tons of things included. There's pain relievers, vitamins, toilet paper, cleaning products, toys. There's a number of things, but I'm going to kind of focus on the laundry detergent and the toilet paper. Of course, you guys knew I was going to get the laundry detergent. But there's also like Neutrogena included, things that normally aren't included in the same deal. So just be careful and choose what you're going to do and know that you can only do it once. But I'm really going to focus on the laundry detergent and the toilet paper because I've seen in the stores that they are starting to limit how many toilet papers you can buy, paper towels, how much detergent you can buy. So I don't know if we're getting ready to be shut down or there's really a big delay in the supply chain or what's going on. But I'm going to make sure that I'm stocked up plenty, and I hope that you guys make sure too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this Scott toilet paper. It's the 12 rolls equals 12,000 sheets, and they are $9.99. And here you can see it's part of the deal. Spend 30, get 10. I'm going to grab 2 of those. Now, I'm going to use this coupon. It expired on the 6th, but we all know that it's still good at CVS if your store takes expired coupons, and a lot of the stores do. I don't know if it's going to scan or not, and the reason I say that is because when this coupon first came out, we were having problems with it and it wasn't scanning. So I'm going to hope that it does scan, because then that means that brings my toilet paper down to $8.99. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, and we're going to get some more stuff to bring our total to $30. Now, guys, another reason why I'm going to grab 2 of the Scotts is because I have a $4 off 20 CRT if I spend $20 in Scott, Kleenex, and Cottonelle. Unfortunately, guys, I'm just all messed up today. I don't have my glasses. Let me show you guys. Like, I can barely see. But here, I don't have my glasses on, so I'm not going to do a really big haul, because I don't know if I'm grabbing everything and I don't have the right coupons. And then I left my other phone, so I can't show you the CRTs and what they look like. So I'm just going to grab some things to get you guys started, and then I'm going to come back and do another haul tomorrow. So I apologize to you guys for not being prepared. I was just rushing, and I just need to slow down. Looky guys, here's more of the Kleenex toilet paper. Let's take it and let's see if it is still on clearance for 14 cents. If so, we're going to grab it all. But like I told you guys before, whenever you have clearance at CVS, just keep checking over and over again, because you never know when they're going to get more shipped from the warehouse. So let's go ahead and scan this. These are great to include in your bundles. Let's see. Come on. Okay, I'm going to have them check it at the register. See, now the scanner isn't working. I told you guys I'm having a bad day today, so I'm going to have her scan it at the register. All right, guys, we're out of luck. They are back to $1.49, but we're going to keep our eyes on that, because they just may go down again. And if they do, you better grab them, because this is a great toilet paper to put in your bundles to resell, or just to have when the supply chain is low. So let's go ahead. We're going to grab some more items for our spend 30 get 10. All right, we're going to grab one of these all products. The all and snuggle products are all on sale for $2.99. You can see it is included in the spend 30 get 10. So it's the scent boosters, then it is the fabric softener, as well as the detergent. All the snuggle is for $2.99. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a thing of the scent boosters. They're $2.99. I'm going to use this coupon, which is $2 off any in-wash scent booster. So that's going to bring that down to 99 cents. And then I'm going to grab one of the all products. Again, the all is on $2.99. And I believe the all and snuggle coupons are in the 10/27 save insert, I believe it is. Okay, so next I'm going to grab one of the all oxy detergents. Those again are $2.99. So are the pods. So you can choose between which ones you want to get. I'm going to get the detergent. I'm going to get the oxy. And this is the coupon that I'm going to use, $2 off. So that's going to bring this down to 99 cents. So the last item I'm going to grab to round this up to our $30, we're going to be a little over $30, but that's okay, is a bag of the Tide Pods. And you can see they are all included. The Tide with Oxy, it's the small bags of pods. Tide with Downy 4-in-1, Tide with Tide 3-in-1, and the other 3-in-1. I always get the 3-in-1, guys, because that one has 16 pods, whereas the Downy has 12 and the Oxy has 12. So I want to get the best bang for my buck. But I'm going to grab one of these. I'm going to grab the purple bag. Now I'm going to use a $2 Tide digital coupon that you can get right out of your CVS app, or you can use the paper coupon that was in your P&G that just came out last Sunday. But I'm going to use the digital today because you guys know I'm not together and I did not bring my P&G coupons. So that's going to bring us up to our $30. Okay guys, so here is my receipt. As you can see, there's the Scott toilet paper, 2 of those. Then you have the all detergent, the Snuggle, and the Tide. You have the $2 coupon that came off for the Snuggle, $2 coupon that came off for the all. Both of the dollar coupons did come off for the toilet paper, so that was good. And then the $2 coupon, digital coupon for the Tide Pods. The 4 off 20 Kleenex, it was for Kleenex, Scott, or Cottonelle. And then I used a $10 extra buck just to bring my out of pocket down. So I paid $8.90. If you have extra bucks, please use them to make it a little lower. If you don't have extra bucks, then that's fine. If you don't have extra bucks, then pay the $10. So my out of pocket was $18.90, but I got back a $10 extra buck. So really my out of pocket was only $8.90. And if you divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, that's a little less than $2 per item. Guys, that's an excellent deal, especially for getting 2 big things of Scott toilet paper. So let's go ahead and let's finish our CVS haul for the day. So the next deal we're going to do is on the Ardell eyelashes. They are on special, buy 2, get $5 in extra bucks. And you can do this deal 2 times. So you can get the eyelashes, but the other thing that's attaching to this deal is the liquid eyeliner as well, and it's also attaching to the CRT that I'm going to get, and the Ardell brush. So there's a couple different things you can get. So I am going to max the deal out. I'm going to do the deal twice. And I have 2 CRTs. One CRT well, excuse me, both of them are get $3 off 10. So I'm going to spend a total of $20 in lashes so that I can go ahead and max out the deal, get $10 in extra bucks back, plus use those 2 CRTs. So I'm going to grab 2 packs for $4.99. So I'm going to grab this one. Actually, I'm going to grab 3 packs that are $4.99. And then I'm going to grab 1 pack for $5.49. And that will definitely put me at my $20. Then, so I'm going to have those 4. Okay, so that gets me the $10 in extra bucks. So it's buy 2, get 5. We're going to do it twice. And then I'm going to use my 2 CRTs. So that's going to be a total of $16 that I'm going to get off of the 20. So I should pay like $4 and some change for the eyelashes. Excellent deal. Great stocking stuffers. Great gifts to give away for Christmas. Looky, looky, looky. The Paparazzi nail polish is back again this week. It's the same exact deal from last week. Buy 2, get 5, and you can do it twice. I'm going to show it to you here. So I'm going to grab 4 more polishes, just like I did last week. I'm starting to forget what colors I have, but I guess it really doesn't matter since I'm giving them as Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers. So here's 4. I'm going to pay $10, but I'm going to get $10 back in extra bucks. So if you have $10 in extra bucks, get the 4, use your $10 in extra bucks, you're going to get your $10 in extra bucks right back. If you only have $5 in extra bucks, get 2, use your $5 in extra bucks, then get 2 more and use that $5 in extra bucks, so you'll roll it, so they're still free. If you don't have extra bucks, still do this deal because they're free. Just get 2 at a time. All right, guys, so our last deal is going to be on some free Sure deodorant. It's $3.49, but it's on sale for $2. And when you buy one, you get $2 back in extra bucks. So that makes this absolutely free. For those of you who are new to CVS, you're trying to build your extra bucks up, or you don't have any to start, this is a great deal to do to start with extra bucks. All right, let's go over our receipt, guys. But before we do, just to let you know, I did only get 2 of the lashes. I didn't get 4 because my both of my CRTs wasn't attached. So I did 2 today, and then I'll go back and do 2 tomorrow. Okay, so here you see I have the Sure deodorant, the 4 Paparazzi nail polishes, and the 2 Ardell eyelashes. The coupons that came off in the CRTs was the $3 off 10 for the eyelashes, and then I did use $17 in extra bucks because that's how much I was getting back. So my total out of pocket was $2.98. As you can see, I got back to $10 in extra bucks for doing the Paparazzi deal twice. I got the $2 back in extra bucks for the deodorant, and then I got the $5 in extra bucks back for the Ardell eyelashes. So for all of that, again, my total out of pocket was just $2.98. Now, guys, I did show you this deal in another video, and I will pin that video to the comments. But there are Wet n Wild gift sets. They're great for Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers. They have the mascara, the lip balms, the eyeshadow palettes, but they're on sale for $4.99, and you get a $1.99. No, excuse me, you get $3 back in extra bucks. Now, this deal went on last week, and it's also for this week. So I did the deal 3 times last week because it's a limit of 3. But you can also do it, if you did it last week, you can do it again this week too. So I did do it this week and last week. So let me show you. But I've only done it once this week. I'm going to do it more. I'm going to do the other 2 tomorrow. So you see I got the liquid shadow kit for $4.99. I used the $5 extra buck to pay. And then I got $3 in extra bucks back. So this cost me $1.99. So here's my entire haul. I got 2 things of Scott toilet paper. I got back, I have the all detergent, the Sure deodorant, the 2 packs of eyelashes, the makeup stocking stuffer, the 4 things of nail polish, the scent boosters by Snuggle, and the Tide detergent. Now I am going to also submit my receipt to Fetch because I'm going to get back some cents, probably about 25 cents or something like that for each pack of my Scott toilet paper. Okay, so here you can see I got back 6.5 cents back from Fetch for my toilet paper, but that's okay. It all adds up, especially when prices are going up like crazy with the pandemic and the economy being messed up. But guys, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what deals you're going to do. Let me know what deals you like or if you've already done them. And until the next time, keep on saving.